staying with our 3D analytical view, what we're going to look at in more depth now is the analytical adjust, where we can make manual adjustments to our analytical model. So that's in our Analyze tab here on the ribbon, and there's Analytical Adjust right there. So if I click on that icon there, what will happen is the view will change in the model, and what will also happen is I get this little fly around kind of sticky panel like so that I can move around. And the excellent thing about this is depending on where I'm working, I can move that around in the drawing area like that. Now let's have a look at this and see what it does. The whole idea is that you might want to edit a particular part of the model, a node. So if I just zoom in here a bit now, if I click in there and just zoom in and just pan down a bit, you can see here, look, can you see where these join together? You might need to edit where those segments join. So what you can do is pick a particular node and you can actually move that like so. Can you see that? I'm actually moving that around. Now I don't want to move that, but you can see how that works. I'm going to leave it where it was originally, like so. But if I make that change, what will happen is the model will update, and I can then go and click on Finish here, and that model is updated in the analytical model that you'll be exporting out for structural analysis. If you want to go to the default alignment methods used with AutoDetect, click Analytical Reset here. So if I click there, Reset Analytical Model, that will actually reset everything back to where it was originally. So you'll notice everything is updated. If I click on Finish there, that'll close out the sticky panel, that disappears, and the model updates and regenerates like so. So that's how you make manual adjustments to the analytical model. Now, obviously, what you're going to be doing here is making small tweaks and small changes to make sure that everything aligns and to make sure that all the nodes align in your analytical model. It does take a lot of time, but bear in mind you need to make sure that this is structurally correct as well as visually correct.